Hi, I'm Stephen Weltz. I'm a workforce analytics manager at HCMI based in Los Angeles. So HCMI is a full-service workforce analytics and planning company. So the most common problem faced by HR departments is lack of resources and inability to make a business case for analytics. This is because we often speak different languages. Those in HR are speaking about HR metrics, and those business leaders will look at it and say, oh, that's an HR problem. That's not something we care about. First step in any analytics enterprise is knowledge of the business. One major problem that HR consistently faces is that they're not able to get buy-in for analytics projects or for utilizing interventions on the workforce. The missing link is a business case where you tie the business strategy and the workforce strategy together and showcase how analytics can improve your workforce in a way that will help you achieve your business goals. You have to start by getting buy-in from the rest of the organization. You have to assess your data sources, where all the data is siloed. You have to pull together analytics studies, and then ultimately the peak of analytics would be a combination of advanced analytics, productivity, and workforce planning. We go everywhere from training, and we have a number of different trainings that we provide, from workforce productivity, intro to workforce analytics, as well as workforce planning. In addition, we also provide consulting for when people need help in their organizations trying to get to the next level of analytics. And we also have our software, Solve, which is really the high-level workforce analytics and planning software that can help people automate what they need to do and gives them the key metrics to really optimize their workforce. So workforce analytics can actually be applied at pretty much every stage of the employee lifecycle. The employee lifecycle, if you don't know, spans from recruiting basically to terminations. It also includes things like leadership, performance and engagement, internal mobility, and at each of these stages, there are different areas where you can find value in the workforce, or you can show where there's either increased productivity or cost savings that you can find. And turnover, another part of the employee lifecycle, can be highly linked to cost, especially if you're talking about not just any kind of turnover, but what we would call regrettable turnover. Those people who are in your critical workforce jobs, your high performers, those people that you really do not want to lose. There are examples that we could give for every single one, but really at each stage, analytics can help you to get to the next level of the employee lifecycle.